Hello everyone, welcome to your English class, dear students. Today we are going to do the exercises of lesson 7, degrees of comparison. Dear students, as I have already taught you that whenever we talk about a singular person or singular noun, we use the adjective in its base form, which is called the positive degree. And whenever we compare two things, we always use the comparative degree of that adjective. And when we talk about one person comparison, when we compare one person with all the others, more than two persons, when we compare more than two persons, we use the superlative degree. I also taught you that how we can recognize the positive degree, comparative degree and superlative degree. Now today we are going to do the exercises of this lesson. Exercise A. Complete the table. Dear students, as you can see, here is a table given and few degrees are given, positive degrees, few adjectives are given of positive degree, while the others are given of comparative and superlative degree. We have to complete this table. We have to give the positive, comparative and superlative degree of all the adjectives which are mentioned here. For example, first word is wise. Wise is the positive degree. Now we have to give the comparative degree. So we have written wiser. The comparative degree of wise is wiser. Superlative degree of wise is wisest. Famous. See, and in the second row, the word famous is given, but famous is given in the positive column, but in the comparative and superlative column there was dash given before. Then I completed it by giving the comparative and superlative degree of this positive form. Comparative form of famous is more famous. Superlative form is most famous. Big, bigger, biggest. In this third row, the superlative degree was given and we completed it by giving the positive degree and comparative degree of biggest. Positive degree of biggest is big. Comparative degree of biggest is bigger. Fourth row, pale. Here, as you can see, the comparative degree was given. Then we completed it by giving the positive and superlative degree of it. Pale is the positive degree of paler, and superlative degree of paler is palest. Intelligent is the positive degree. Now, comparative and superlative degree were asked from us. We have provided the comparative degree and superlative degree here. The positive comparative degree of intelligent is more intelligent, and superlative degree of more intelligent is most intelligent. Now we will do exercise B. Tick the correct options and complete these sentences. The lamp is dash, then the candle. Now here, as you can see, that in first sentence we are comparing lamp with candle. So we have tick right the comparative degree, that is brighter. Khushi's hair is longest or longer than Leena's. Here also Khushi's hair are being compared to Leena's hair. So we are ticking right the comparative degree, longer. Mehul feels the happier or happiest when he is dancing. Here, Mehul's feelings are being compared. His feelings are compared. Here, his single feeling, that is the feeling of being happy while dancing, is compared to other feelings. So, we will tick right the superlative degree of happy, happiest. This is the more interesting or most interesting book I have read. Now here in this sentence we are showing comparison between different books, all the different books which I have read. So we will tick right the superlative degree, that is most interesting. His cold became worst this morning. His cold became worse this morning. Why we have to write worse? Because the condition of a person during the night and morning are being compared to each other. So the two timings, the two conditions of the persons are being compared. That's why we have to write worse over here. My room is warm, but yours is warmest or warmer? We will write warmer, because here my room is being compared to yours. Sentence number 7. I met my favorite author today. I feel like it's my better or best day ever. Now here the comparison between today and all the other days is being made. That's why we have tick right best over here. We are using the superlative degree over here. Sentence number 8. Rohini is a brilliant student. She solved the more difficult or most difficult problem with ease. Now here in this sentence we can see that the solution of Rohini's problems are being compared. So we are using most difficult, the superlative degree of difficult here, because the solution which she has provided to all the problems are being compared here in this sentence. Exercise C. Complete these sentences using as with the adjectives in the brackets. The box is as heavy as the suitcase. Now here the comparison is made between the box and the suitcase, but it is being said that both of them are equally heavy. So to show that both of them are equally heavy, we are using as and using the adjective in between to show that equality between the weight of both the things. Manoj is as tired as Neha. Here also we are showing the comparison between Manoj and Neha being tired, that they are equally tired. That's why we are using as tired as. Now we will read further. Sentence number 3. The mango ice cream is as delicious as the vanilla ice cream. Here the comparison between mango ice cream and vanilla ice cream is being made, and it is said here in this sentence that both of them are equally delicious. So we are using as to show that equality between the taste of vanilla ice cream and mango ice cream. Alice in Wonderland is dash, the lion, the witch, and the wardrobe. Here we are showing the comparison between the between the books. So we are using as interesting as. We are showing that all these books are equally interesting. Raman is as thin as Rohit. Here also in this sentence, as is being used to show the equality between Rohit and Raman being thin. Sentence number 6. Kankana was a lark. Here, as happy as is being used to show the equality of happiness between a lark and Kankana. The wrestlers were as strong as lions. Here also, the strength in wrestlers is being compared to lions, that the strength is equal. So we are using as to show that equality. The cuckoo sings as sweetly as the nightingale. Here also the singing of cuckoo is being compared to the singing of the nightingale, and it is being said that both of them sound equally sweet. So we are using as to show that equality. Dear students, whenever we are showing the equality between two things, the same thing between two different people or two different things, if we are showing the equality between the quality of two different people or two different things, we can use as to show that equality, as we have done in this exercise. Now dear students, as you can see, exercise D and exercise E are oral practice. So what you have to do is, you will not practice these orally. According to me, you should write down these exercises and give the sentences using these words. And in exercise E, you will do comparative and superlative degrees of these words. This is for your homework. Exercise D and E is your homework. You will do these exercises on your own. That's all for today, dear students. Thank you and have a good day.